Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show. And sure enough, when I turned on two-step verification so that I could continue doing YouTube videos, now my Gmail account using Outlook won't let me log on. I try to log on, I put in my password, and it just comes back and asks me to log on again. So I turned off two-step verification. I went back to Outlook and it's working now. So I'm in a dilemma now, because if I turn off two-step verification, then after November 1st, I won't be able to upload any new videos or edit the old ones. If I turn that back on, then my Gmail account in Outlook won't work, won't let me log in. Now I can log in to my Gmail account on the internet, but that's a pain. I've got 600 or 800 emails a day, and Outlook is set up to filter them and everything. It doesn't do that on the internet. So I'm in a dilemma. I don't know if I can, like when I want to upload a video, turn it on, then upload the video, and then turn it off. I don't know what to do. What a mess. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.